Güvenç. The mold is not only about machining two parts. Mold is an art in which thought becomes a reality. As Güvenç, we are proud of being one of the touchstones of our industry with our quarter-century experience. Established in 2003, our company is engaged in manufacturing plastic molding industry. Our company is able to respond to the needs of our customers, the latest technology to serve with machinery. Plastic injection mold dressing plastic mold design department importance in the production stage. Our company is aware, using professional programs such as SolidWorks, mold design we're doing. Working jointly with industrial firms competitive, fast and adhere to deadlines by manufacturing within the industry itself has been a reliable company. Our company's strength, based on many years of experience, and our revised and future investments in this direction has been. Automotive industry, kitchen industry, food and packaging industry for serving our company in this industry mold design and manufacturing plastic injection mold, with knowledge and experience in the engineering is located. Our investment in technology, mold manufacturing customers we are helping to compete in the global market. Our company provides guarantee options to its customers regarding the molds that it manufactures for 1 year of period or 1 million cycle. Güvenç starts with product quality mold.